Be happy, do the best you can, be good and kind. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope all of you are fine and safe at your homes. My dear students, today we are going to do exercise of unit number 13. Please open your textbook, page number 91. Beta, this is reading comprehension. So, beta, these are the questions and you will go towards your text and search out the answers of these questions and solve it on your book as a reading comprehension. Now come on the next page. Okay, beta, open page number 92 of your textbook. Write the letter of the phrase that best answer each question. So these are some MCQs. You will find out the correct one. What was the main problem in this story? So the main problem was finding out whether ants talk to each other. So this was the problem. Second one is, what was the main problem faced by the first ant in the test? Getting the nail, finding its way back to its colony after being placed in the bowl. So the B option is the correct one. Third one is, what was the first thing the ant had to do to solve its problem? So C option is the correct, climb up the string. Fourth one is, what happened when the ant solved the problem? Many ants came for jam. बट इसमें ये भी आ सकता है, इसमें बोथ ए और बी भी आ सकता है. 7 में है, सेकंड बी ऑप्शन में है, समवन लर्नड दैट आंट्स कम्युनिकेट विद ईच अदर. तो ये भी हुआ था कि दूसरी चूंटियों को, दूसरी आंट्स को पता चल गया था कि कुछ आंट्स जो हैं वो एक दूसरे के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर सकती हैं. इसमें सी ऑप्शन भी आ सकता है और ए ऑप्शन भी आ सकता है. ज़्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट ए ऑप्शन है. Suppose you left some food on the floor and one ant found it. What might happen next? ठीक है, कुछ आप food, you were eating some food and you left some parts, some particles on the floor. So what will happen? So B option will be correct. The ant would tell other ants and they would come. Okay, beta, come on the next page. This is column matching. You will find the meaning, correct meaning, and match the word from A in column B. First one is trail. So you will match it with a route along a series of paths or roads. Colonies, a group of birds, insects, or animals that live together. Wondered, a feeling of great surprise and pleasure that you have. Ceiling, a horizontal surface at the top part or roof inside a room. String, a thin rope made of twisted threads used for tying. Disappeared, you can no longer see them. So please match the word in column A with its meaning in column B. Next one is working with words. Find the best word to fill in the blanks. So some words are given here. You will choose the correct one to fill the blanks. Some flowers have pleasant scent. Scent means smell hota hai beta. He brought a bunch of flowers for his sister. Bunch. The dentist used many instruments to pull out my tooth. He remained confused about talking a right decision. She was alone in an unfamiliar place. Okay, beta, come on the next page, page number 94. This is phonics. So, the words are given here: splash, spring, tree. So, the letters SPL, SPR and THR are found at the beginning of many words. Each of these letters are combination, stands for blend of consonant sounds. So these are the blends of consonant sounds. So each sentence below contains an incomplete word. Add SPL, SPR or THR to complete the word. Write the entire word. So you will add SPL, SPR or THR. First one में बेटा THR आएगा. I knew she had thrown the ball. THR. Walk थ्रू, अगेन यहाँ पे THR आएगा. वॉक थ्रू द फॉरेस्ट विद मी. अक्सा sprang, SPR आएगा यहाँ पे. अक्सा sprang from a dark corner. I need thread to sew with. Thread, THR. Help me spread the blanket on the sand. Again SPR. The children splashed in the water. SPL. But the next is compound words. You know, combination of word, two or more words are called compound words. When we join two words, it becomes a compound word. So यहाँ पे कुछ words, कुछ phrases हैं यहाँ पे बेटा, उनमें से आपने compound word को choose करके लिखना है. The side of a bed, beside. Time to lunch, to eat lunch, lunchtime. The beat of a heart, heartbeat. A book for school, school book. The light from a torch, torch light. The yard of a farm, farm yard. So these are the compound words. You will write it in front of each phrase on your book. Okay beta, so next is articles. You know, there are two types of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. The is called definite article and a and an are called indefinite articles. ठीक है बेटा, a और an को हम क्या कहते हैं? a and an are called indefinite articles and the is called definite article. So a और an जो है बेटा वो सिंगुलर के साथ यूज़ होते हैं, a कॉन्सोनेंट्स के साथ, an जो है वो वाउल्स के साथ, और जो दा है वो स्पेसिफिक थिंग्स के साथ यूज़ होता है, नेचुरल थिंग्स के साथ यूज़ होता है. ठीक है. Some examples are given here. The is used to refer to a particular person, thing or idea. Example, he caught a ball. Any ball, he caught the ball. This is a specific ball. A and an are used with singular nouns. The can be used with either singular or plurals. A और an जो हैं वो जस्ट सिंगुलर्स के साथ ही यूज़ होते हैं और द सिंगुलर और प्लूरल दोनों के साथ यूज़ होता है. A bat, the ladybug, an ant, the cow. We use a with words that begin with consonant sound. Means अब मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था बेटा, जो consonants हैं उनके साथ हम a यूज़ करते हैं और vowels के साथ an यूज़ होता है. A book, a table, an orange, an apple. Okay, we use an with words that begin with a silent h. अगर कहीं पे h silent है, वो h से word start हो रहा तो हम वहाँ भी an यूज़ करते हैं. Now use articles a, an और the to fill in the blank spaces. I saw an elephant yesterday. E is a vowel. There are 5 vowels: a, e, I, o, u. I ate an apple for the lunch. I am a student. She stayed there for an hour. Now h is silent here, so we use an. I saw an accident yesterday. The boy who is sitting next to me is very naughty. That is an issue between us. The price of petrol keeps increasing. The child I know is very brilliant. Please return the pen I gave you yesterday. Okay beta, next is glossary. You will learn the synonyms. Sorry, there is no glossary at all. So this is all about today beta. You will learn the exercise. After solving it, you will learn the exercise. Allah Hafiz.